In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer shares to Interactive Brokers. Before we begin, make sure you can log into the Interactive Brokers client portal and have details from your current brokerage handy, like your account number, account type, and, if required, your tax ID. It also helps to confirm that the name and registration type on both accounts match. Differences can slow things down, so double checking now can save time later. Start on the client portal homepage and open the positions view. This is your hub for everything you currently hold and the place where transfer tools live. From here, look for the transfer and pay menu. That's where Interactive Brokers groups deposits, withdrawals, and position transfers. So it's the natural next stop. Choose transfer positions. This opens the workflow designed specifically for moving assets from another broker into IBKR. You'll be asked whether the transfer is incoming or outgoing. Select incoming since you're bringing shares into Interactive Brokers. Next, select the region of the broker you're transferring from. This helps IBKR show you the right options based on local systems and rules. Once you've picked the region, choose the appropriate transfer method. For example, ACATS is commonly used for US-based transfers. Other regions may use different methods like DTC, FOP, or local equivalents. If you're unsure which method applies, check what your delivering broker supports or review IBKR's method descriptions on this screen. Now provide the broker and asset information. In the broker information section, enter your account number at the delivering broker along with the account holder name and account type exactly as they appear on that account. Some methods may also require your tax ID. In the transaction information section, click Add Asset to specify what you want to move. You can list positions individually by symbol and quantity or choose to transfer everything eligible in the account. Be mindful of unsettled trades, open orders, or restricted securities at your current broker, as these can delay or prevent transfer. Verify tickers and identifiers to make sure you're selecting the correct shares. When you're confident everything looks right, review all details and click Continue. You'll be prompted to electronically sign the request. After you submit, Interactive Brokers will contact your current broker to initiate the transfer. Timing varies by method, but several business days is common. During this period, avoid trading the positions you're moving to prevent mismatches. You can keep an eye on progress in the client portal, and you'll receive notifications if anything needs attention. Once complete, the shares will appear in your IBKR positions, ready to manage and trade.